3D scanner allows somebody to take an object in the real world, you place it onto the scanner, and once you start the process, there's a couple of things going on here. There's a turntable that will slowly turn this item around, and there's a camera here that will take pictures of it continuously. It takes measurements, and then it puts it into a computer, and then it gives you a 3D rendition of the computer. You don't want to see it operate? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we'll do this duck here, and we'll just place the duck on there. And we'll come over here to our software, and we'll do it as a single color, and it will start to take pictures of it. And as you can see, the camera goes up and down until it sees nothing. So you can see the lasers measuring it right now. And as it starts, it will actually start putting the pixels onto the computer screen.
And how are you going to use it in your classroom?
In our classroom, this is actually an item that the student brought in. So I'm going to have the item transferred from the real object into a 3D rendition. And then we'll actually take that and we'll put it onto the printer and we'll copy that item right here. So like in space, the 3D printers are going to be real important because instead of sending parts up to different spaceships, the International Space Station, they can just send a file. If they have a 3D printer there, they can print their own parts. They can also design things that they need there in space.